Namaste. I welcome you to this basic Bharat Yoga learning program, and today we will be learning Surya Namaskar. It's very important to understand few basics of Surya Namaskar. It is very commonly known as Surya Namaskar and also Sun Salutation, but in Bharat Yoga we call it Urja Gati because Surya Namaskar is not an asan. Asan का अर्थ है स्थिर सुखम आसनम. Any posture which is stable is called asana. But Surya Namaskar is not a stable posture. Yes, we can call it that it is a set of 12 different asana, but because the whole process of Surya Namaskar is moving, hence it's called Gati, Urja Gati. Urja इसलिए क्योंकि ये हमें ऊर्जा प्रदान करती है. Sun is the source of energy in this entire world, and we get all the energy, whatever we eat and how we live, everything, all the energy directly from sun. It has been observed and researches have been done on it that places where there is no enough sunlight, a lot of diseases are there, whether we talk about joint diseases, physical diseases, and even mental problems like depression and anxiety are very common at those places where we don't have sunlight. Everyone knows now that it is the biggest source of vitamin D, and also why sun salutation, why urja gati. Many of you must have noticed that sometimes when you wake up in the morning there is some white cotton at your navel. When you remove your clothes before taking shower, you notice a white cotton at your navel. Who comes in the night and keep this cotton at your navel? No one. Navel is called Manipur Chakra. Tendency of Manipur Chakra is to suck. When a child is in the womb of a mother, child cannot eat food from mouth. So child takes food from navel when child's navel is connected to mother's navel, because the tendency of navel is to suck. Same way right now also your navel is working, but because you're not giving it anything to suck, it is sucking that cotton from your t-shirt or from your undershirt. Now, when we practice Urja Gati, when we practice Surya Namaskar, we enhances the abilities of navel. We give it work to suck, and this is a practice which works on your Manipur chakra. That's why it can take direct energy from sun. That's why whenever you practice Surya Namaskar, try to practice it either bare body or while wearing sun colors like red, orange, yellow, or even white. That's why yogis wear these colors. So let's learn. I would not go into, there are so many other explanations which can be given about Surya Namaskar, but considering the time, it is very important to understand right now that it is a set of 12 postures and it should be done for 12 times. Generally, few people do it for 100 times, 108 times, and even more. That's not required because we have so many other things also in yoga which should be practiced. And to keep in mind your physical and mental well-being, it is recommended that you must do it maximum for 12 times, and minimum you can start with 3 repetitions of Surya Namaskar. So let's learn. I'll be showing each step and you can practice each step with me. I'm just showing a modified version of Surya Namaskar, not the complete posture that you have to touch your head to your knees, because that's not possible at the initial stage. So we are doing the mild one. Just remember, if you have severe back pain, I would not recommend you to practice Surya Namaskar at this stage. Otherwise, everyone can do it. So to practice Surya Namaskar, the first step is make sure that it is practiced in the morning. For the evening, we have Chandra Namaskar, which is also called Saundarya Gati. For now, it is Urja Gati, which means it has to be done in the morning at the time of rising sun, and preferably if you can do it in front of the rising sun. But if you're doing it in-house, indoor, then make sure कि आप पूर्व दिशा की ओर मुख करके इसका अभ्यास कर रहे हैं जिधर से sunrise होता है. Okay, so for the first step, stand straight, feet together, and bring your hands in Namaste position. So your thumb should be at the Vishuddhara chakra. Try to feel the pressure at your mind controlling nerves while practicing it. Now inhale, lift up your hands and bend backward as much as you can easily. I can bend a lot back, but I would not suggest you to bend too much back at this stage, so because it is for beginners. So just raise your hands and bend a little back, otherwise you can feel dizzy. Exhale, and at this stage also, don't try to touch your forehead to your knees at the initial stage. You can just leave your head loose so that there is no strain at the back of your neck or at your spine. Now inhale and spread your left leg back. You can stay in this position and you can bend back. So your hips are down, spine is down, chest is up, face is up. Exhale and take your right hand back और धोबी के फट्टे की तरह आपकी कमर बिल्कुल सीधी हो जाएगी. This will also help in reducing your abdominal fat. This step. So sometimes people do it this way in the fourth step, but no, we would recommend this Dandasana here, and then Shashtanga Pranam. Your toes, your knees, chest, chin, and your palms on the floor. So 8 body parts are on the floor. 2 toes, 2 palms, 4, then 2 knees, 6, 7th is your chest, and 8th is your chin. That's why it is called Shashtanga Pranam, that 8 parts of your body are on the floor. Exhale here, take a new breath, and come to Bhujangasana position. Make sure your feet are together. Exhale, and now we come to Adho Mukhi Shwanasana. Make sure your knees are straight, your heels are on the floor, and you are looking at your toes. Let the blood flow towards your skull. Few people call it Parvatasana also. Now the left leg will come forward, which went back while going. Then inhale and bend back. Exhale. Bring both legs forward. Inhale and exhale. Now we'll be doing 3 more rounds of Surya Namaskar. So stand straight. Step 1. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale and then inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Close your eyes. Try to visualize the rising sun, giving all its glory, giving all its glow, all its energy to you. Hold this awareness for some time. You can also chant with me, Om Suryaya Namaha. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale more. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Again, keep your eyes closed. Try to visualize the rising sun. Sun rays falling on me, giving me more glory, more glow, energy. Hold this awareness. Let the qualities of sun evoke in me through this Surya Namaskar. And here we are doing the last round for today. Face absolutely calm. Feel the spiritual glow on your face. Feel the flow of energy in your entire body. Feel the proper flow of blood, proper circulation of blood in your entire body. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale more. Inhale. Exhale here and take a deep breath again. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now keep your eyes closed. Try to visualize the rising sun. Try to feel the changes just happened in your body and your mind. Observe your breath and then join your hands, spread your legs, relax your entire body. That's all about Urja Gati, Surya Namaskar for this course, which is a very basic practice which we have shared with you right now. Make sure you start with 3 repetitions and you can take it up to 12 repetitions. Be careful, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep practicing yoga abhyas every single day.